So the question of the evening is, does the K24 sound good? So before we hop in and test it out, I've been getting a ton of questions, guys. Does the K24 sound like the K20? Does it sound deeper? How is the vtec crossover? Tonight, this evening, it's cooled down a lot. Coming out to the K24 right here. A lot of you guys who are new to the channel, this is my 2007 Honda Civic Si, also known as Project Midnight. You could see down there on the plate there, it says K24a. I haven't really driven this car a lot, and tomorrow's gonna rain, so I want to get this video done and out for you guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna make a full mods list video, what I have done to the car, basically everything you needed to do the swap into the 8th gen SIs. All stock interior pretty much. You have the Bride shift boot and the Bride shoulder pads right here. Running stock mid pipe to Megan Racing axleback exhaust. So it's pretty aggressive, definitely a little deeper than the K20, and I think it sounds better. I don't think the VTEC sounds better. I think that the engine note and exhaust note sound a little bit better, but the VTEC is a little bit less audible than the 20, but it's still there. So be a judge for yourself, guys. Let's go take this thing for a rip. Guys, at my favorite little scenery spot here, as you guys can see out here in the farms. But anyways, this thing, hopefully those clips came out good for you guys. This thing sounds absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with how it came out personally, and I just want to keep having a really good time with this thing. I want to do the Type S pump. What else? I still need to do my Hassport rear mount. So you guys be the judge. Does this thing sound good? Leave your comments down below. 1 being bad, 10 being good. Let me know if you like the VTEC. To clear up any confusion, the K24 is way more powerful than my K20. Straight up. A lot of people somehow think that the 20 is faster or more powerful than the 24. You got another thing coming for you, dude. If you think that's the case. The torque is my favorite thing. I don't even care if this thing has a crazy top end, guys. I do, all right. I'm not gonna lie, I do. I wish I was revving 8K. I wish I was revving 8K, but honestly, dude, for what this thing is, it's definitely a powerful car. Such a smooth, torquey power band. It's hard to explain. You'd have to rip a K24 to get the full experience, basically. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. I have a lot of stuff to clear up. It's going to be coming in the next videos, guys. Stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, Drop all your comments down below. Subscribe for some more content. And I'm ordering a Type S pump. Straight up, I'm gonna have it either for this build or the next one, but I'm gonna have it, whole kit. And I may send this thing up to 7,800 to 8K RPM max. So drop your comments down below if you think I should set the limiter a little bit higher. I feel like it'll be a lot more fun, but it's also sketchy at the same time because the K24s, even at $7,000, it feels like the pistons, I can feel it through the steering wheel. Everything is winding up so fast that it feels like it's just gonna explode. I'm not really used to that, so I guess I gotta grow a pair of cojones, send it like you guys said. So